In the sum up of part 2, we looked at two forms of residency rights within the Bnei Israel, that which comes through either birth or conversion, in contrast to that of the resident alien, the Eved, established from the Gemara Yevamot that the chuppah v'kedushin of a resident alien is not recognized within Jewish law, which set the background for the pshat, explanation and justification for Rashi's assertion that the Chotovei Eitzim and the Shoavei Mayim sued for and were accepted as converts into the Bnei Yisrael. With that, we were able to successfully respond to question 1, which sought for a basis within the text that the Chotovei Eitzim were Knaanim who had converted. Further textual evidence was provided that the Chotev Eitzim and Shoavei Mayim were converts, one from the change from the plural used in connection to the earlier categories to that of the singular when addressing the ger, and then the change in style. Ger chasher beker machanecha mem prefix chotev etzecha ad shov memecha. The Sikha then went on to provide two examples for the application of the klal prat. The first from Shmot, dealing with the destruction of the firstborn in Mitzrayim, and the second from Shmot 22, regarding the laws of Geneva. We digressed to footnote 13 that takes note of the fact that the explanation for the mem prefix with the ad as a klal prat was not totally analogous to the first example from Bechor, in that it lacks a range and lacks inclusiveness. This shortcoming solved by the analogy from Shmot 22 dealing with Geneva. Having established that there was an issue of conversion on the part of the Chotev Eitzim and the Shoav Mayim, we then made three assumptions, the third of which was used to provide a textual basis for Rashi's assertion that this request for conversion had taken place quite recently. With this, we can also respond to the seemingly superfluous mention of these two subcategories of ger, while at the same time responding to the second question that was asked of Rashi's commentary, the fact that he introduces his commentary with the word melamed.